back for another video. So this is, I'm not really sure what to call this video. I'll probably title it, it's like a crypto check-in, market pulse check-in type of thing. It is late, it's like 1 a.m. on the East Coast, but I just wanted to, put a video out for anyone that is, I mean, me myself, I'm even feeling a little bit of, frustration and FUD with the crypto market, and yeah, so it's 1:11 a.m. here. Um, if we look at Bitcoin, it's trading at about 39,000, right under 40,000, which I'm not gonna lie to anybody, I did not see this coming. I did not think we would even be below 45,000 ever again, damn near. It does seem like we are following. I do want to pull this up because I did see this. Distribution, Bitcoin. I did see this video somewhere, and I do want to just get this information to you guys. So I heard that we are in that Bitcoin is currently in a Wyckoff distribution, which is basically if we look at let's look at the weekly chart maybe. Let's look at the daily. Okay, so here, yeah. So actually on the daily chart, it really shows it here. Wyckoff distribution. I just want to try to get a picture to match it to the Bitcoin chart. Okay, here, yeah, this one looks good. So if we look at this chart here, it shows whatever the asset is, it doesn't matter. Let's just say it's Bitcoin. It shows accumulation phase, and then it goes up, ladders up, and then another accumulation phase, and then a dip. So, that's if you look here on the Bitcoin. This is the daily Bitcoin chart here. So this is from now, which is the middle of May, back to November, give or take, of last year. So if we look at this chart again, the run up accumulation here, right, and then a run up, and then the steps here is, on the picture here, there's more steps on this run up, on the big run up. But if we look here, I mean, there's just this kind of this one big step in this run up, and then look, another accumulation phase, right? So I mean, this actual amount of steps doesn't matter. So there's the accumulation phase here, right? Another accumulation phase at the top, which is what we saw here, which is the last couple of months of, when Bitcoin was trading sideways. And then, now we're in that big, and mind you, I believe, and me personally, again, I'm not a financial advisor, take everything I say with a grain of salt, but, right now, we're in that downtrend, and there's no way of telling how big this downtrend could be. But, what's going on is institutions are, in Bitcoin now. Like they're here to stay, and that's why I believe this is. This is a clear sign that institutions are here to stay. Again with the Wyckoff, the run up, and again they're making money off this whole time. They're going long here, make the money on this run up, and then the accumulation phase. They're probably playing day trading, playing the ups and downs, and then they're going short on this downtrend here. So it's just I don't know, guys. I did want to get these thoughts out to you just to alleviate any concerns anybody does have because, me, I am, I'm not a seasoned veteran per se, but, I do not have weak hand. I don't have paper hands. My hands are made of diamonds. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to get that information to you guys just for anyone that was worried about the crypto market. Ethereum hovering at around $3,000 here. Not following the Wyckoff distribution so much. Ethereum is just down just because of look, but it went below 3,000 here, went down to 2850, and it bounced right back up to over 3,000. I don't think Ethereum is going to go much farther below 3,000 in my personal opinion, but regardless, guys, just a quick tip, heads up here, for anyone that is involved in the stock market. I am going to be making some of these plays tomorrow. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice. But, GameStop been doing wonderful. We had a really, really nice run up today. Solid. We're up in the 180 range again. But what I really want to tell you guys is about, this stock here. So Mara, SOS, Coinbase, obviously, and Riot and MicroStrategy. These are all super, super, super deals right now. MicroStrategy is usually trading well above 600. Riot is usually when I first bought in it was about $50, I think, or maybe less. I don't even know. Coinbase obviously listed at over $300. SOS is usually in the $6-7 range. Mara is usually in the $40-50 range. So these are on super discount right now. And yeah, these are more risky crypto-esque stocks, if you want to call it whatever. But those are just some plays that I want to put out there to you guys. I'm going to be making those plays. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that. But so let's get into some news here. Um, so I do want to touch on Polygon. Polygon had a really, really nice run up today, and it's been really, really solid. If we look at the 7-day chart here, guys, this is massive. This is just from this is from May 12th, literally last week. It was at $1.13, and we literally hit a point today where it was at I think 283 almost or 260. Yeah, I mean it's just ridiculous run up, guys. Matic's been on fire. And that's partly because of this news here. We are excited to collaborate with Freela Official, a first of its kind DeFi powered and self-governing DAO, building the future of freelancing. So they have a lot of good partnerships going. Polygon Matic has been blowing up lately, and I've made a good amount of cash on it. And I'm not obviously trying to brag, but I did make a video recently about Matic, and I want to get that information out to you guys. And if we look at the chart, I mean, I don't even know what the percentage is. Matic is up like something like 200% in the last week alone. So if you got into that when I made my video, you would have made great gains. Anyway, guys, so I just want to let you know about Polygon, just because I do like, talking about my winners, just for people that don't know. Um, so I do want to clear this up, though. This is some more crypto FUD from today. I saw this. Where's the Reuters article from today here? Yeah, so they put this out here. China bans financial payment institutions from cryptocurrency business, which is total bullshit. Pardon my French, but really. Um, you know, this is all old news, and they just kind of combined a bunch of stuff that was that was old and kind of just unnecessary, and they made it into this news article. I mean, I'm convinced, it's mainstream media, Bitcoin FUD, typical stuff. You know what I mean? The hedge funds and the 1%, they own these news outlets and media outlets, and they don't like Bitcoin, and they want to see it fall, and they want to make money on their shorts. I mean, it's just as simple as that. But it's just more FUD, guys. So please, please do not believe in this shit. These are old. They banned DeFi, and they banned. They didn't even ban crypto. You just can't buy it. I mean, just this FUD surrounding it with all the environmental concerns. Just such a joke. It's all just BS. So next here. Bitcoin chart indicators suggest the worst of pullback may be over. I tend to agree with that. I mean, I really don't. I honestly couldn't even believe we dipped below 40,000. This article is from earlier, so I'm not really going to touch on it. But the idea of it, I do agree with. I personally, I don't think Bitcoin will go below like 35 grand. I think that's a minimum floor. I do not see it going below that. At that price, it's going to be getting bought up like crazy. So yeah, again, this article is old, so I'm just going to skip this here. Um, Extreme fear, yeah, again, grips Bitcoin market after price plunge, sentiment gauge shows. I mean, guys, it's just about the sentiment. Crypto is largely based on sentiment, which kind of sucks. I would prefer if crypto is based more on technicals. But again, we're betting on stuff from the future, guys. We have to remember that a lot of these projects are not finished. A lot of this technology is not fully implemented. So, buying crypto right now, you're really, I mean, for me at least, I'll speak of myself. I'm playing for the long haul, and I would suggest that other people would too. Right now, yeah, there's going to be maybe some nice gains here and there, altcoins and stuff, but it's the long term that you want to play here, guys. Crypto is going to be just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And, right now the sentiment is kind of off, but it's like, you know what? Now is the time to be buying, guys. When you see all this red here, look, all this red, I see it as green. You know what I mean? But anyway. So here's who's surprised here, because I'm not. MicroStrategy, another dip, another $10 million Bitcoin purchase. Of course, so they bought over the weekend. It looks like they bought another 229 Bitcoin for 10 million in cash, and what was their average price here? So oh wow, look at this. MicroStrategy now owns 92,000, bought for a total of 2.25 billion at an average of 24,000 per Bitcoin. So they're rolling in the dough, guys. I mean, people like Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy, they're just rolling in the dough. I thought this is very interesting, so I will come back to this at the end. But Gary Vaynerchuk is very, very involved with the crypto industry and NFTs, and I think he has some really good points. I will get on, touch on that later. So here, this is just kind of some more BS, but the stupid video. I'm not sure if everyone saw it, but Dave Portnoy, I mean, he literally doesn't has. I feel like this guy knows nothing about investing at all, and he just literally just dumps money into the most random shit and hopes and sees what sticks. But he did this like draft video and ended up picking SafeMoon to like not partner with, but what does it say? He's gonna buy $40,000 worth of it. So I mean, it's interesting if you're a SafeMoon holder. I do have a couple million SafeMoon coins. I'm not expecting much out of it. I just bought into the hype just to see if I can make a quick buck. But so again, this is more about sentiment. I'm not going to go into this article. I just thought it was very interesting. So Fox taps Rick and Morty creator Dan Harmon to bring NFTs to TV. So I thought this was really interesting. Fox Entertainment is launching a blockchain arm to complement a new animated comedy, Crapopolis. So it says the guy behind the TV shows Rick and Morty community is leading an entertainment giant into the world of NFTs. Dan Harmon and Fox are launching a show called Crapopolis that promises to be the first ever animated series curated entirely on the blockchain. Details are sparse. Not to go too far into it, but as an advertiser-focused, artist-first, and animation-obsessed company, Fox is going to take advertisers into the world of blockchain-powered tokens, including NFTs. So, I thought this was really, really interesting here, guys. Again, this is more about the long-term sentiment. Crypto is a long-term thing. It's a long-term investment. You know what I mean? Like, you're not, I keep saying you, I'm sorry. I'm not investing in crypto to make money tomorrow. You know what I mean? Like, I'm investing to set up a solid future for myself down the road. So here, next one, interesting. I did touch on Riot earlier. They are down a lot, but look at this. Riot Blockchain Q1 mining revenue rose 881% to $23 million. This is huge. Like I said, Riot is down, in the $20. It was up in the 50, I think almost $60 just a couple of months ago. So again, it's a huge buy. I suggest to anyone that has extra cash and wants to chuck it in there, I highly suggest it. I'm going to do it. And just a couple last notes to touch off on the news section of this video. So this guy, this Norwegian billionaire, he got interviewed and he said Bitcoin becoming mainstream is inevitable. Elon Musk's comment haven't changed anything. Norwegian billionaire Kjell Ingerok says Bitcoin becoming mainstream is inevitable. Unlike Tesla, which stopped accepting cryptocurrency, Rock's company is now considering accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment, emphasizing that Elon Musk's comments about the cryptocurrency's environmental issues have not changed anything. So I thought this was very interesting. I don't know this guy. I have no idea what he does. But again, it's about the sentiment, guys. If billionaires are buying in, I feel like every billionaire that buys in, like the meter kind of fills up, and it's like once it gets to a certain point, and I think we're almost there. It's like Bitcoin's like too big to fail. When these types of people are in there, these people that run the world, the billionaires, you know what I mean? Like I feel like there's no way that there could be like a complete crash or something, because there's just so much money in there. Um, but yeah, guys, again, I'm not gonna go into too much detail about this, but it's all about the sentiment, guys. That's the overall, I guess maybe that's what I will title this video. Crypto sentiment, in 2021 discussion. I definitely want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear some input on this topic. You know what I mean? The sentiment of crypto and where it could be headed. Even tomorrow, next week, months down the road. I would definitely appreciate a like on the video. Definitely subscribe to the channel. I have giveaways coming up. Details are down in the description below. But to close out the video, I just want to go over briefly, just skim over the coin market cap here and just let you guys know what's maybe some good buys or whatnot. So I'm just going to go through maybe like the top 30 coins real fast here. So Bitcoin, 100% buy, under 40,000 right now. It's 110% buy in my opinion. Ethereum at 3,000, 110% buy. Binance coin at 430, amazing deal. Usually, you know what I mean? I've bought some Binance coin at almost 600, so at 430, amazing deal. Cardano, it is up. I think it says, it's down 2% on the week, but, we did hit an all-time high. I would suggest buying Cardano now because it's probably just going to keep going up. Dogecoin, definitely a good buy at 41 cents. You know, I'm not huge on Doge. I'm not sure where the future of Doge is headed. You know, now that Elon is kind of, his reputation's tarnished, I'm really not super bullish on Doge. He was kind of carrying it for me. XRP, depending on the settlement, obviously, but they've been doing well. Again, guys, everything's going to be down right now. Bitcoin's at $40,000, so please don't judge these numbers. You know what I mean? But wow, Internet Computer down 60% on the week. That's a very interesting buy. Let me actually see something here. I just bought some of that recently on Coinbase. I do just want to see where that. I'm sorry, guys. Pardon me. I do want to see where that was at, though. So, Internet Computer, because I'm pretty sure I paid a lot of, like, a good. It was the price was a good amount. I didn't buy that much of it, but I'm pretty sure. I just set up a recurring buy, and I'm pretty sure the price was up there. Yeah, so a week ago it was at $371. I don't know if you guys can see this, but literally a week ago, 371 bucks. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that's a good buy. I mean, if it was at a week ago at 370, I would definitely say there's room to bounce back. Polkadot, great, love it. They've been pumping lately. It'll rebound when the market rebounds. Bitcoin Cash, don't care about. Uniswap, definitely a good buy. Litecoin as well, and Chainlink, two solid coins, good buys. Polygon Matic, up 93% in the last week. One of my picks. Don't mean to brag. I highly suggest you buy some. It's going to be going up. Stellar, great buy, down 18% in the last week. Solana, up 12% in the past week. Another one of my picks, one of my altcoin picks, top earners. VeChain, down 33% in the last week, guys. You know, as much as I stressed Polygon, I definitely want to stress VeChain to you guys. I've made numerous videos mentioning VeChain, down 33% in the last week, guys. That's a huge buy. Ethereum Classic, it's a good deal right now, but you know, I'm not really sure about the use case of it. I have made money on it, but I kind of treat it like Doge. Theta, great buy. EOS down 41% last week. Wow. Aave is up. You know, Filecoin down. Shiba Inu, I'm not even worried about that coin. Yeah, guys. So I will leave it at that. I did just want to get this video out. You know, I know that there's a lot. I had FUD going around in my brain, and sometimes it helps to just get it out and talk to you guys. You know, I would definitely love to hear your comments down below in the description or in the comments. I'm sorry. Please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe. It's much greatly appreciated. You know, I am trying to build the channel slowly but surely, and any support is greatly appreciated, guys. Again, I do have 2 giveaways coming up. You know, depending on the amount of support, they're going to be coming up really quick. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be trying to post some more videos this week. Definitely keeping track of you know, the crypto pulse right now, because I feel like it's in a dire strait. You know, hence the red lights in my room. You know, hopefully we have some green lights. Let's see. Hopefully we can have some green lights. You know, maybe next week, or you know, even tomorrow. Honestly, I'm pretty sure when I'm going to wake up tomorrow, I'm pretty sure that you know, Bitcoin is going to, I imagine Bitcoin and Ethereum must be back, you know, maybe over like 42 and like 3,300, you know, like these are such good deals right now. I know institutions tomorrow morning are going to be buying. But yeah, guys, you know, I do appreciate all the support. Again, thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video.